Numerology is the study of numbers and how they relate to the universe and our lives. It is used to identify a person's core characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses, and to help them understand their life path. Every number has a unique vibrational frequency, and through numerology we can decipher this hidden language that reveals the blueprint of our life. Understanding this language allows us to gain insight into our personality, our life purpose, and our future. To get started with numerology, you must first understand the numeric system known as the Pythagorean system. This ancient system of numbers is based on the foundation of 9 digits 0 to 9. Each number between 0 to 9 is assigned a letter, and each letter contains a unique set of meanings and attributes. The first step, then, is to figure out your life path number. This number is derived by adding the digits of your birth date together, and then reducing it to a single number. For example, if your birth date is June 5, 1982, you would add 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 2 to get a total of 31. Then, reduce this number to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which is your life path number. Once you have your life path number, you can start to explore the various aspects of numerology in more detail. This includes learning about the energies of each number, as well as the different ways numbers can be used to create positive changes in your life. Using numerology, you can gain a better understanding of yourself and your life, and even discover which paths to take when life throws you a curveball. With some understanding and practice, you can use numerology to gain clarity and inner balance. The meaning of numbers. The single digits from 1 to 9 each have their own special symbolic meaning related to how each number is made up from the mathematical principles of numerical vibration and symbolic harmony. 1. The number 1 symbolizes the beginning of something and denotes strength and determination. It is associated with singularity and the creative force. 2. 2 symbolizes balance, duality, the law of polarity and cooperation. It is the symbol for wise decision-making. 3. 3 symbolizes the principle of increase and abundance. It is the number associated with inspiration, creativity, and growth. 4. 4 symbolizes stability, foundation, security, and material possessions. It is associated with materialism and the material world. 5. 5 symbolizes freedom and change, as well as the ability to adapt to different circumstances. 6. 6 symbolizes harmony and balance, and is associated with luck, and service to others. It can also be the number associated with charisma. 7. 7 symbolizes the higher wisdom, faith, and spiritual understanding. It is the number associated with wisdom and knowledge. 8. 8 symbolizes abundance and power, and is associated with the spiritual and physical aspects of life. 9. 9 symbolizes creativity, passion, and success. It is associated with completeness and the end result of a cycle. Master numbers 11, 22, and 33. The term master numbers are used to describe the set of digits 11, 22, and 33. These numbers are believed to have more powerful vibrations and create a higher level of spiritual awareness in those people who possess them. Many numerologists believe that the true significance of these master numbers lies in how they relate to either the spiritual or physical aspects of our lives. The number 11, known as a master number, is said to be a spiritual number that carries the energy of divine awakening. People who possess this number often have a higher connection to the higher realms of consciousness, as they are highly intuitive and wear their spiritual hearts on their sleeve. This number encourages them to become bearers of light and to spread their message of faith and hope to all who come their way. The number 22 is known as the Master Builder number, and it is believed to give one the capacity to manifest their dreams and create their own reality. People with the number 22 have a deep understanding of how to use the material world to their service in a positive way. They will be great at problem solving and have an appreciation for things like art and architecture. The number 33, also known as the Master Teacher, is said to represent wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. This number is symbolic of the teachings of the great masters and encourages those who possess it to use their intuition and insight to help others and make a difference in the world. People with the number 33 may have a strong sense of compassion and respect for all living beings. These 3 master numbers hold a special significance in numerology, and many believe that these powerful vibrations can truly help us understand the spiritual side of our lives. Your life path number is an important number to pay attention to when it comes to numerology. This number can provide insight into different aspects of your life: relationships, career, finances, etc. It is calculated using your birth date and indicates the path you are intended to take in this life. To calculate your life path number, you will need your birth date, which should be entered in the format of mm/dd/yyyy. Begin by breaking down each element of the date and adding up the separate digits. For example, a birth date of August 24, 1995 would look like this: August 24, 1995 08, month, equals 0 plus 8 is equal to 8/24, day, equals 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 1995, year, equals 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 24. Next, take the individual digits you have just derived and add them together. In the example above, this would result in 8 plus 6 plus 24 is equal to 38. If this number is 2 digits, take the 2 digits and add them together. In this example, 38 becomes 11. You may need to do this several times to derive a single-digit number. For this case, you would take 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is your life path number. The number 2, corresponding to the example above, is a sign of balance, diplomacy, and compassion. A life path number of 2 indicates that you are likely to excel in social settings, making friends easily and almost instinctively understanding people's motives. You are also likely a creative and imaginative individual, with an eye for art and beauty. Your life path number is an indicator of your life's purpose and direction. It is important to understand your life path number, as it can provide valuable insight into your life's journey. The expression number, also known as the destiny number, can tell us a lot about an individual's personality, strengths, and future paths in life. This number is derived by adding up the numerical values of the letters in a given name using the Pythagorean numerology system. The expression number represents our talents and abilities, as well as how we interact with others. It is an indicator of our inner selves, and will often affect how others perceive us on the outside. A person with the number 1 expression number will likely find success in leadership roles, and tend to be goal-oriented. Those with the number 2 expression often have great capacity for nurturing and diplomatic relationships. The expression number can serve as an insightful guide in figuring out our purpose in life. For example, someone with expression number May 4th find a career path in organization and structure, which is practical and purpose-driven. Similarly, someone with an expression number of May 5th be well suited for a career in sales and communication. Ultimately, our expression number is a reflection of our interests and talents, as well as a broad outline of potential paths we can take in life. Understanding it can provide invaluable insight into our own abilities, enabling us to achieve the goals we set out for ourselves in the future. The hashtag SoulUrge Number is an important part of numerology and can be used to give us insight into our personal path. It is calculated by taking the vowels in one's name and gives us an idea of what we are driven for and what we are truly seeking in life. The SoulUrge Number helps us to make sense of our core motivations and desires, providing us with a better understanding of what makes us tick and what goals we should be pursuing. This number has an impact on our relationships, finances, and overall well-being, as it helps us to take stock of our current journey and determine areas that need more attention. Ultimately, it is a tool that can be used to help us find meaning and purpose in our lives. By looking at our SoulUrge Number, we find ourselves exploring our deepest desires and patterns of behavior. It is essential to our personal evolution and growth and can help us make better decisions to further our goals. By understanding our SoulUrge Number, we are able to be more aware of what makes us happy and fulfilled and be better equipped to take the steps that can lead us to those feelings. The personal year number is a numerology system that uses the numbers between 1 and 9 to understand how each year in your life will be influenced. It is believed that each personal year holds a certain vibration, and adding the corresponding number to your birth date can give you insight into the energies that will play out that year. The year is calculated by adding the month of your birth, plus the day of your birth, plus the year in which you are now. To make it easier, you can reduce any double digits to a single digit, but the master number should remain a master number. For example, if your birthday is January 12, 1987, the equation would look like this: 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 16. Reduced to a single number, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The personal year number for 2020 is 7. Each personal year carries a specific vibrational energy that can inform how you approach the year and the opportunities and challenges that lay before you. Here is a brief overview of what each number signifies. 1. Beginning of a new cycle, focusing on your goals and future. 2. Unification of energies, go with the flow and develop relationships. 3. Creativity, expressions, and communication. 4. Hard work, organization, and understanding that goals take time to achieve. 5. Freedom, changes, and making transitions. 6. Nurturing, overcoming challenges, and tending to your needs. 7. Inner reflection, withdrawal, and taking a break from the hustle. 8. Abundance and success. 9. Completion of past cycles and looking back. The personal year number provides you with an overall snapshot of the energy and focus you should carry through the year. While it is not a definitive predictor, it can be used to observe the current and upcoming patterns in life and make the most of the opportunities and challenges that come about. Numerology is a practice of using numbers to understand the hidden patterns that unravel the universe in an infinite way. It can be used to uncover information about ourselves, our lives, and the decisions we make. Through an understanding of our numbers, we can gain insights into how to better direct our lives. Each number holds a certain vibration, as does each letter of the alphabet. Aligning with these vibrations provides guidance on living our most authentic life and making the best decisions. The use of numerology gives us helpful and valuable insight into the energies that make us unique and our individual calling in life. For example, our birth date gives us clues into our core numbers, our innermost self, life purpose, and the unique gifts and talents we possess. By working with our core numbers, we can discover the tools we have to manifest our goals. Our name is just as important as our birth date in terms of numerology. Our name gives us our destiny number, which reveals who we are meant to become and how we can best use our core gifts and talents to become that unique version of ourselves. We also have a personal year number that changes each year. It gives us an indication of where we are in our life's path and what we can focus on. Being aware of this number gives us insight into our current year and helps us to make the best decisions. Understanding the numerology of our lives can be empowering and give us direction and clarity in our life's journey. With this knowledge, we can make decisions that are in alignment with what best serves us